All right, welcome back, everyone. I'm just going to clean this up a bit, and I'm just going to move this like that. Okay? And you'll notice one thing that I've been doing here, and then is that I've been actually putting all of these headers on different lines. And you're thinking, well, why is that? What happens if I just cut this and then paste it here? You'll notice that there in the code there's actually no difference. Okay? Now, if I just move this out here like this, and watch what happens if I go ahead and I take out this tag. Okay? And I'm going to take out this tag as well. Both of these get put on the same line, and they're both header 1s. All right? And I'm just going to push Command Z, or if you're on a PC, Control Z, and you'll notice that everything gets put back to normal. Well, when you format everything within the editor here, basically the tags function as kind of a return. Now, depending on what programming language you're in, this doesn't happen all the time. Sometimes when you're writing text, there won't be spaces, and you'll have to actually manually enter the return. So what you have to do is you'd have to enter something, and I'm just going to write this in. This is completely pseudocode here, but if I type in, it sometimes looks like this. It looks like a /n, and the computer will know that the /n will mean return. All right, and so what you're telling the computer to do is, return the text. Okay, that's what we're telling the computer to do, and in some programming languages you have to do that. All right, and so you'll also notice that basically what you can have in here is you can have something that looks completely different in the code, and it will look completely different in the editor as well. All right, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.